It is Saturday the 30th of April. I drove out here to the lake in the rain. Got all my crap put on, ready to go. Sky's clearing just a little bit, which it's supposed to do later. And the lake's looking really good. We're not supposed to have much wind today. I'm excited about that. And I think this is going to be a big fish day. So here we go. Let's see what happens. All right, we're not even 20 minutes into this. We just saw some fish busting down here in this west end. Came down here, flipping my little white spinnerbait around. Got number one in the boat. He's maybe 12 inches. Good one. All right, number two in the boat. About a 15-inch, maybe a 16-inch largemouth. Again on the white spinner. And another good aggressive hit. We're on them. There is fish number three, another 13, 14-incher. I was throwing my red chatterbait out there and got it down in the grass, and I struggled to pop it free, and as soon as it came out, he jumped on it. Good job, buddy. All right, fish number four. Got a 2.5 pound largemouth. Nice fish. There we go. Got him on the black lizard with a blue tail, throwing right up on those weeds right over there. Four in the boat. Okay, this is number five in the boat. It's another solid 2 pound. Got him on the black lizard with a blue tail. There's a lot of patchy weeds down here like this. And I rolled that thing right over the top of a weed, and as soon as it came on this side, he had ambushed it. It was a pretty cool hit. Good job, buddy. All right, that's number six in the boat right there. That's a nice little fish right there. Got him on the what, black lizard?
Black lizard.
Black lizard. All right, fish number seven. Nice little 2 pound plus largemouth. And you can see my little black lizard with the blue tail right there in his chops. There you go. We might have to paddle up and drift that again. This is fish number 11. I just let one go. It was almost identical to this. Little 10-inch, 11-inch dink. Tied on the purple spinner, and they're liking it. So that puts us at 11, right?
Yep.
Yep, 11. That's good. 1 3/4, 2 pounder. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And that's number 12. 12? Okay, and that's number 13. 13 on the black and blue lizard. Say hi, buddy. Guess what? Your lucky day. You get to go home. Yep. All right, we got doubles hooked up over here.
There they are.
On the lizard. Got a little bit of rain floating around. Oh, that, you know, this guy's a little over 2 here.
I'd say mine's probably 1.5 pounds, 1 3/4.
Number 17 in the boat, another good solid 2 plus. He normally wouldn't be that much, but look at his belly, he's full. He would have been easily 2, but he's just good 2 1/4 right there. See ya, buddy. Bye-bye. All right, I'm not going to dig my scale out, but that is big fish of the day right there, and we're evenly calling him 3. So
Fish 18.
that is a big chunk, and that is fish number 18. There you go, buddy. Good job. All right, fish number 19. Another good pound and a little bit, pound and some change. Black and blue lizard seems to be coming on here in the afternoon. Good job, buddy.
That's number 20, ladies and gentlemen.
Number 20. That's about the same size as that one I just let go.
Got good black spots on.
Yep. Okay, we finished the day today with 20 fish. We got them on spinnerbaits. We got them on chatterbaits. We got them on lizard. Did not catch a single fish on a rattle trap, which is really unusual for me. Now, if you look behind me, you can see that that water is white capping. It's just starting to white cap. We did cross over to the other side and very quickly ran for our lives after that. That was a stupid move. But all in all, it was a good day. 20 fish on everything except for the rattle trap. And we were getting a lot of the fish up around the vegetation. We got some on the points, on spinner baits. So, good day. I'll take it. Hi everyone. Side note to yesterday's fishing trip to Kaiser. I used my typical setup yesterday, which is 3 casting rods and 1 spinning rod. My spinning rod is pretty much exclusively for throwing soft plastics. Yesterday I was working a black lizard with a blue tail. But the story from yesterday is the comparison of 2 weeks ago when we went to Kaiser. I missed 4 fish with my spinning rod. This is a 7-foot medium action. And it was just because I was trying to set the hook so far out away from the fish that I was getting a lot of line stretch and a lot of bend in the pole. So I bought some fluorocarbon line and put it on this reel. And yesterday I did not miss a single hookup. Every time I set the hook, I caught the fish except once, and the hook just tore out. But that happens. That wasn't because of the line or the rod. So I am really, really pleased with this setup with the fluorocarbon line on this reel. And I can tell you without a doubt that it made a difference, and I caught 4 more fish because I had that fluorocarbon on there. So, not saying go get it, I'm just saying it worked for me.